Hello student, 5th standard maths. Welcome back to maths class. We learn here decimal numbers. Today we learn here 13.8 division of decimals by decimals. Previous video what we learn? Division of decimal by natural number. Now here we learn decimal by decimal numbers. How to do? See here. They given you one number. First one say 22.512 divided by 0.12. 0.12. See, we change here divisor number. We change here divisor number, decimal number to natural number. Decimal number to natural number means what? 0.12. How many numbers? 1, 2. After decimal points, how many numbers? 2. So multiply there 100. 0.12 multiplied by 100 is equal to 12. But here also change the decimal number because of C. How to write in vertical? 22.512 divided by 0.12. Now you multiply by 100 by denominator number. That time you multiply by numerator number also same number. 22.512 multiplied by 100. You got here 2251.2 divided by 12 by 12 means decimal point shift there 2 points because of here 2 zeros now count there and shift there because of you multiply there 100. Okay, all of you understand? Then you divided there 2251.2 divided by 12. Now 12 ones are 12. 10 is there remaining. Next one number write down. 12 8s are 96. 9 is there remaining. 1 carry down. 12 7s are 84. 7 is there remaining. 2 carry down. 12 6 are 72. 0 0. After which number coming point? One number give there. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. All of you understand how to do? Next one. Second. 1.698 divided by 0.3. 0.3 means multiply there 10. So 1.698 multiply by 10. 0.3 multiply by 10. 16.98. Only 1 0. Remove their decimal point. To the right side, one number. Skip there one number and 3. See, 16.98 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 is the remaining. 9 carry down. 3 6 are 18. 1 is the remaining. 3 6 are 18. How many numbers? 2. 5.60. So write there 1698 divided by 0.3. Their answer is 5.66. All of you understand? Now open your textbook. Open your textbook. Write on there page number 72. First one, write your topic name, decimal, then write page number 72. Then first one question, find the quotient. Find the quotient right here. Okay, then A1, solve. 3.288 divided by 0.06. How many is there? 2. Means 0.06 multiplied by 100. 3.288 multiplied by 100 is equal to 328.8 divided by 6. Now here write 328.8 divided by 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24. 6 8s are 48. How many is there? Only decimal point one number. So here is one number, leave there and give to the decimal point and write there answer 3.288 divided by 0.06 is equal to 54.8. All of you understand? Next one, B1. 5.832 divided by 0.8. 5.832 multiplied by 10. 0.8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 58.32 divided by 8. 58.32 divided by 8. 8 7s are 56. 58 minus 56, 2. 3 is there, carry down. 8 2s are 16. 7 is there remaining. 8 9s are 72. Give there after two numbers point, decimal point, and write their answer 5.832 divided by 0.8 is equal to 7.29. Next one, C1. 10.965 divided by 0.17. Write there 10.965 multiplied by 100. 0.17 multiplied by 100. 1096.5 divided by 17. 1096.5 divided by 17. 17 6 are 102. 109 minus 102, 7 is there remaining. 6 is carried on. 17 4s are 64. 2 is there remaining. Sorry. 8 is there remaining. 5. 17 5s are 85. How many? Point. 965 divided by 0.17. Answer is there 64.5. All of you understand? D, E, F, G is your homework. H and I solve here. H and I we solve here. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find the quotient and solve in your notebook. Solve in your notebook. Here, first write there question number 2. Find the quotient. Then first one. A1 4.221 divided by 0.07 means 221 multiplied by 100 and 0.07 multiplied by 100 is equal to 422 by 1 divided by 7. You divided here 422 7 6 are 42, 2 given, 7 3 are 21, 60.3. So write there answer 4.221 divided by 0.07 is equal to 60.3. Okay, first one we solve here. Then which one we solve? B1 2.285 divided by 0.5 divided by 0.5. Write in their denominator and numerator number. Write in the fraction this one number. Then 2.285 multiplied by 10, 0.5 multiplied by 10, 22.85 divided by 5. Now you divided 22.85 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. After 2 number, write there 2.285 divided by 0.5 is equal to 4.57. C1 2.346 divided by 0.2. Now C 346 0.2, write in the fraction, then multiply by 10. Multiply by 10, 0.2 multiply by 10, 23.46 divided by 2. 23.46 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 threes are 6. 11.73. 2.346 divided by 0.2 is equal to 11.73. All of you understand how to do? Next one, D1. D1 also we solve here. D1 what? See, D1 number 10.255 divided by 0.35. 10.255 divided by 0.35. Now write in the fraction 10.255. Now you multiply by 100. 10.255 multiplied by 100, 0.35 multiplied by 100. Okay. Now see here 10.25.5 divided by 35. 35 table you do here. Okay, 35 2s are 70. First three number take here. 10 is a smaller than the 35. 102 minus 70. 32. 5 carry down. 35 9s are 315. Then 5. 35 3s are 105. Then one number. So 10.255 divided by 0.35 is equal to, answer is there, quotient is there, 29.3. All of you understand? Now also E, F, G, H, I is your homework. Okay. Question number 3. Solve these words problem in your notebook. Write on your notebook. Write on your notebook. Write there. A1. Minty covers 37.5 kilometer in 0.5 hours. What is her speed in kilometer by hour? Kilometer by hour. What you do here? Division. Okay. What you do here? Division. Now see here how to do. Minty covers 37.5 and 0.5 hours. What her speed? First one, write there question number 3. A1 question write. Then write distance covered in 0.5 hour is equal to 37.5 kilometer. Then distance covered in hour. You want here distance covered in hour. In 1 hour. That time 37.5 divided by 0.5. That time what to do? 37 0.5. Write in the fraction. Now you multiply there 10. 0.5. 375 divided by 5. Now you divided this one number. 375 divided by 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 fives are 25. Their answer is right. Minty covered 75 kilometer in 1 hour. In 1 hour. Now see B1. Renu bought 1.5 meter of cloth for rupees 120.60. How much did she pay for a meter? She purchased their 1.5 meter cloth and gave to the shopkeeper 120.60 paise. Okay. Now 1 meter's cloth. What is the rate there? You write. B1 question first write. Then write there cost of 1.5 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 120.60. You want here cost of 1 meter of cloth. 120.60 divided by 1.5. 120.60 divided by 1.5. 120.66 multiply by 10 divided by 1.5 multiply by 10 is equal to 1206.0 divided by 5. Now you divided this one, 1206.0 5. 5 is there now. 15 it's a 120. 6 write as it is, take there. 6 0 take the 0. 15 4 is a 60. Give there only 1 point and write their answer. Renu bought 1 meter cloth for rupees 80.4. C1 also is solved. 337.50 liter of groundnut oil is to be equally divided among the some people. Each one gets 1.5 liter of oil. How many people get the oil? Right there. D1 we solve now. Right there. Total quantity of oil 337.50 liter. Each person get 1.5 liter. You want here number of people. Number of people 337.50 divided by 1.5. Now see, 337.50 divided by 1.5. 337.50 multiply by 10. 1.5 multiply by 10. 3335.0 divided by 15. 3375.0 15. 15 to the 30. 15 to the 30. 15 5 are 75. 225 people. Write their answer. 225 people will get 1.5 liter of oil each. Okay. Next one, even. Divided 18.99 by 9. Even also write question. Then 9 paise is there. 9 paise. 9 paise means what? 1 rupees means 100 paise. 9 paise means 0.09 rupees. Convert into paise to rupees. Next one, now solution there. 18.99 divided by 0.09. Write in there fraction 0.09. 18.99 multiplied by 100, 0.09 multiplied by 100. Okay, 18.1899 divided by 9. 1899 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 1s are 9. 9 1s are 9. Now write their answer. Rupees 18.99 divided by 0.09 is equal to 211 paise. All of you understand? Here C and F is your homework. C and F is your homework. Thank you.